learn Pinyin if you won't even see it? Hey guys, welcome to Intro to Chinese, basics you need to know with a Pinyin. In today's video, we are going to lay the foundation for mastering Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin is a Chinese dialect. It literally means standard Chinese. It is the most widely spoken dialect. It is the official language of China, Taiwan, and Singapore. So there are two parts to Chinese, as you may know, Pinyin and Chinese character. Pinyin is the top thing that's up here. It is similar to the English alphabet, and the characters down here is what you would normally see on a piece of paper that's written in Chinese. Pinyin tells you how to pronounce Chinese. It is usually not written with the letters. Pinyin is what the characters sound like. Pinyin is similar to the English alphabet. In fact, it is an extraction of the 26 letters of the English alphabet. However, the sounds are very different. We will learn the sounds in another video. The 26 letters of the English alphabet is combined to form the Chinese Pinyin. There are 3 Pinyin charts. The 3 Pinyin charts are consonants, vowels, and syllables. These charts are very similar to English vowels, consonants, and blends. The difference between Pinyin and English alphabet is that Pinyin is set with a particular sound, which is why we will need to master these sounds. We type out Pinyin, which is the different combinations of the 26 letters of the English alphabet, to find the corresponding character. So why bother learning Pinyin? How will we use Pinyin? First, as I already mentioned, it helps you to type out your messages on electronic devices. Second is how you learn a new word. If you don't recognize a Chinese character, you can simply look up the Pinyin and learn that word. And since Pinyin is not written with normal Chinese, where would you find the Pinyin to learn the new character? I will put a link to it in the description box for you to check it out. As I said, the character is what you normally see in Chinese. Like in English, you will have to memorize these characters by sight and learn the sound that is associated with it. Once you have a list of characters in your memory bank, you will become a proficient Chinese reader. And if you come across a new word, you can just look up the Pinyin to learn the sound. That's why we go through the pains to memorize all 3 charts. If you're new here, please subscribe. Be sure to press that bell icon so you will be notified for my future videos. And if you found this video to be useful, please give me a thumbs up. See you next time, 下次见!